It may look like a river restoration project, but for India, it could be much more than that. China has now agreed to assist Bangladesh in carrying out a feasibility study for the Teesta River Comprehensive Management and Restoration Project. Beijing insists its cooperation with Dhaka targets no third country. But geography tells a different story, because this isn't about just a river, it's about influence, it's about strategic access, and it's unfolding right in India's backyard. So why the Teesta matters? The Teesta isn't just another river. It originates in North Sikkim, flows through West Bengal and enters Bangladesh before merging with the Jamuna, known in India as the Brahmaputra. For decades, the Teesta has been at the center of an unresolved water sharing dispute between New Delhi and Dhaka. Now, China's entry has transformed the bilateral river issues into a strategic regional concern. The biggest question isn't what China wants to build, it's where it wants to build it. The proposed project lies close to India's Siliguri corridor, better known as Chicken's Neck. Barely 22 kilometers wide at its narrowest point, this narrow stretch is India's only land corridor connecting the northeast to the rest of the country. Any long-term foreign presence in this region is bound to trigger security concerns in New Delhi. This isn't a new proposal. China has pursued the Teesta project for years, but Bangladesh's former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina never gave it a final green signal amid economic concerns and India's reservation over a Chinese-backed project so close to a strategically sensitive zone. Now, under Prime Minister Tariq Rahman, the proposal is back. Officially, it's only a feasibility study. Strategically, many believe it could become something much bigger. Strategy experts say this isn't simply about embankments or flood control. Large infrastructure projects often create long-term strategic leverage. If China secures a sustained presence in the Teesta Basin, India's long-running water dispute with Bangladesh could gradually evolve into a much wider geopolitical context with the Beijing. The concern isn't today's agreement, it's what it could eventually lead to. India isn't reacting publicly with alarm, but it is watching every development carefully. The Ministry of External Affairs say New Delhi has already conveyed its concerns to Bangladesh. Officials insist every development surrounding the Teesta project is being closely monitored and will be factored into India's diplomatic and strategic response. For now, there is no confrontation, but there is unmistakable caution. Well, the Teesta project is no longer just about water. It has become a symbol of larger strategic competition unfolding across South Asia. For Bangladesh, it's a development project. For China, it's another opportunity to deepen its regional footprint. And for India, it's another reminder that in geopolitics, even rivers can redraw a strategic map. Well, that's a wrap from my side. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Muskan, signing off for Times Now Digital. Until next time, take care and keep watching this space for more such videos.